Hey, this is Steve 2 guy. I want to thank you for coming out to this video. I want to show you how to download your NBox Social software. Alright, once you get the link in your email, you want to click on the link. When you click on the link, you want to take your mouse and you want to go over here and click download. Download. When you click download, you will see the actual download appear here. Okay? Then you're going to wait till it downloads. Okay, you will see a warning sign. You don't want to press this because this software is not dangerous. You want to click the arrow and you want to keep it. Keep it. When you keep it, wait till that blue disappears. Once it disappears, you click the arrow. And when you click the arrow, you want to go into show folder. Show in folder. When you show in folder, you want to find the software, which is going to be highlighted automatically. You double click. Go to the setup. Double click. Extract. Extract. Right. I'm going to go here. Now when you click on that icon, this is going to pop up. Click on more info. More info. And click on run anyway. Run anyway. Okay. You don't see it on your screen, but I see it on my screen. There's a box that pops up that says, do you want to allow the following program from an unknown publisher to make changes to this computer? And you want to click yes. Yes. Okay. Then you want to click next. You can create a shortcut if you want to, but I like to put mine in my toolbar, my taskbar. Then I click next. Install. Install. Once it install, then you're finished. Alright, then you wait until it appears. And there you have it. Here's the software. Okay. Next, you see it's in your taskbar. You want to right click and pin it to your taskbar. Take your password that you get in your email. Type it in and log in. Once you log in, you're ready to use NBox Social. Thank you. Your account status is active.